before reel tab show on Facebook page. So let's see, tap on three line, scroll down, settings and privacy, open this, open settings, scroll down, here you can see tab bar, open this, customize the tab bar, here you can see reels, tap on pinned, hide this, so go back, close Facebook app and open again, open. As you can see, reels tab hides successfully. So thanks for watching.